here at ZIFE Design today in Hanoi getting a muffler put on for my Royal Enfield Classic 500. Just want to show you a little bit before and after sound. So this is the sound of the stock exhaust. Let's see. Just so you can hear that. This is the exhaust it comes with. It's a decent sound. We'll just give it a little rev. And then after they install the new exhaust in about a day, I'll hear the new sound, do a little comparison so you can see the sound of their custom exhaust. It takes about 1 day and it's a few $100 to install. I'll put the prices and all that stuff up there, but check it out. Anyway, this is their shop, cool shop in Hanoi. They do a lot of custom work. But so we've got the new exhaust put in. This is ZIFE Custom in Hanoi. So time to hear the difference. This is the new exhaust. Let's hear it. As you can see, it's much throatier. It sounds like a Panther.